In this video, I will tell you how can you download BlueStacks. So for downloading BlueStacks, you have to write here BlueStacks download, and then go to first link, and then agree, and then click on download BlueStacks 10. You can see here the installer was downloaded successfully. Now double click it. Yes. As my BlueStacks is already downloaded, so it is showing update. In your case, it will show download, so you have to click that. It will take some time to download it. It is again downloading the next packages, so wait for it. Now it is checking the system requirements. If this will not install, pause your PC antivirus for some time. Maybe it is interfacing in it. Now go to home. You can see BlueStacks was launched. Here you can see BlueStacks was opened successfully. Now you can download apps, whatever you want. If you don't know how to download apps from here, I will show you in the next video. Thank you.